My name's Kelsey Davis. I graduated from the ANU in 2014 and I'm from Canberra, Australia. And now I live on the Upper East Side of New York City. My path to get to New York City was a little bit, it wasn't linear. I finished at the ANU in 2014 and then I was working at a law firm in Canberra, subsequently transferred to the Sydney office of the same firm, worked at the financial regulator in Sydney, ASIC, and then I ended up coming to Columbia Law School on a scholarship with the Banking and Financial Services Law Association to Columbia Law School, did my LLM, and then I now work at a firm here in the city. At the moment I work on white-collar crime, I work on investigations, I also work on securities class actions and like more general contractual disputes. Last week I was working on an international arbitration that involved a Swiss company, and we filed a very large brief. It was like a 390-page brief, which was like a lot of work. So that was pretty cool to get to work on something so elaborate. My favorite part of my current job is probably being involved in depositions. So a deposition is when you get to basically almost cross-examine outside of court the other side. They have a Socratic method over here, so they call people out and ask them questions, like grill them. ANU law is particularly challenging, and I think it's well known as like a rigorous program, so it really prepared me for what I took on next. Pauline Bombal was my contracts professor, I think it was second semester at ANU. I remember I asked a question in a tutorial once and she didn't know the answer, but she actually went away and looked it up for me and came back to me next class and said, "Kelsey, stay back after class, I've got the answer to your question that you asked last class." And it just felt like, that sort of level of actually caring about the question that I asked and caring about my intellectual curiosity kind of helped me to continue down that path. New York is like, it feels like the center of the universe, right? So there's always something going on here. It can be a lot sometimes, it can be very full on, but that's what you sign up for. That's New York, baby. That's show business. Please cut that.